Very good morning to all. I am Sudeshna from Premchand Memorial Public School and welcome to the third class. Students, today is drawing class. Okay, so you just listen carefully and try to understand. I will tell you what you have to do and how you have to do. So let's start. On page number 24 students, you have to complete this tortoise. You have to draw this tortoise here. Okay, आपको ये tortoise यहाँ पर draw करना है and you have to follow these all steps. Okay, ये सारे steps आप follow करेंगे और अपना tortoise यहाँ पर draw करेंगे. Okay, so first of all you have to draw this circle. Okay students, I am using here this hardboard, okay, to draw this circle. So if you want to use this, you can also use it, okay, like this, and very smoothly you have to draw. Okay students, now it's completed, right? Now you have to draw this circle. So I am using another circle here, this one. Okay, so we have to put it here. ओके, हम इसको यहाँ रखेंगे. देख लेंगे स्टूडेंट ये कहाँ पर होना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द टॉर्टोइस. ओके, सो वी विल ड्रॉ इट लाइक दिस. वेरी स्मूथली यू हैव टू डू. ओके, लाइक दिस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द नेक. ओके, हमें इस नेक को ड्रॉ करना है. Or if you want students, you can rotate your drawing for your comfortable. Okay, so you have to draw the neck like this. Okay, and after that what you have to do, you have to draw this line like this. Very smoothly you have to draw like this. Okay, then you have to draw its legs. Okay, इसके पैर को हम draw करेंगे. Okay, so first of all we will draw this one. Like this. Okay, and like this, and another one. Very smoothly you have to draw. Okay students, like this. Okay, and this is also. Okay, now just draw its eye like this, and its, you have to follow step number 4. Okay, like this. Okay, very smoothly, slowly you have to do like this. Like this. Okay, and these also. Okay, this is extra, I will remove it. Okay student, एंड देन जो इसके अंदर की जो लाइनें हैं इनको आप रिमूव कर देंगे, इरेज कर देंगे. ठीक है, लाइक दिस. ओके, अब ये कम्प्लीटली ड्रॉ हो गया है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसके अंदर कलर करेंगे. Now we will do the outline with the help of black sketch pen. Okay, so we will do the outline very smoothly. Okay students, after completing outline we will do the colors. Okay, so students, this is the yellow color, so we will do yellow color here. Okay, very smoothly you have to do students, you don't have to go out also. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, very smoothly, बहुत आराम से करेंगे, प्यार से. Okay, and this is the green color. Okay, we will do green color here. This is like this, very smoothly. Okay, बहुत आराम से करेंगे हम, बहुत प्यार से, like this. Okay students, and this is the brown color. We will do brown color here, this one. Like this, very smoothly. Okay, like this. And here you have to do black color, or you can do brown color also. Okay, like this. Okay students, once you've done it students, it will look like this. Okay, now come on page number 25. Okay, so you have to do the same thing, you have to follow these steps and then complete the bear. Okay, so first of all we have to draw this circle, and I am using hardboard here. Okay, once again, so I will draw very smoothly, you have to draw. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, and after that we have to draw this circle. Okay, like this. Okay, then step 2, अब हमें क्या करना है, उसका ईयर ड्रॉ करना है, उसका कान हम ड्रॉ करेंगे, like this. Okay, एंड देन उसका हम जो मुंह है वो हम ड्रॉ करेंगे, like this. Okay, okay students, and now we have to draw its legs. Okay, उसके पैर हम ड्रॉ करेंगे अब, like this. Okay, very smoothly and slowly you have to do, like this. In the next one, okay, okay students, like this you have to draw int eye also and this also. Okay, and then we will draw its tail also. Okay students, now we will outline with the help of sketch color. Okay, like this. After completing the sketch color, what you have to do, you have to color it. Okay, and this is the brown color. Okay, so you have to do brown color very केयरफुली, यू डोंट हैव टू गो आउट स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, आपको बड़े प्यार से आराम से करना है और आपको बाहर नहीं जाना है। ओके, लाइक दिस। ओके, once you done it will look like this. Okay students, now come on page number 26. Okay, what you have to do on this page number students, a scenery is given there on this page number, right? So आपको क्या करना है, you have to color this picture of your choice. आपको अपनी चॉइस से इस पिक्चर पर कलर करना है। ओके, so you have to do yourself this page. Okay. I'm sure students you understood today's class, and if you have any problem you can ask to me freely. Okay students, so thank you so much.